You're asking why your older Tesla is suddenly charging slower and showing less range. The short answer is yes, a software update did this on purpose, and it is permanent. This all started with the 2019.16.1 update. After a Model S caught fire in a Hong Kong garage, for no obvious reason, Tesla pushed this update to lower the risk in aging battery packs. The change specifically affects 2012 to 2016 Model S and Model X cars that have the 85 kilowatt-hour battery. Those packs were built with an older Panasonic 18650 cell chemistry that is more sensitive to degradation over time. To protect the hardware, the software put a new, lower limit on your battery's maximum voltage. Think of it like an engine's red line. The original red line for each battery cell was 4.2 volts. The update lowered that to around 4.1 volts. Just like running an engine constantly at redline causes wear, charging these older cells to their absolute maximum voltage year after year increases stress and the risk of an internal fault. Lowering the voltage cap reduces that stress. This one change causes two problems for you. First, a lower maximum voltage means less energy can be stored in the pack. That's the 10 to 12% of range that disappeared right after the update. The battery simply can't be filled up as much as it used to be. Second, the software also had to slow down your supercharging speeds. Fast charging puts a lot of stress on the battery's anode. With the new, more cautious voltage limits, the charging speed has to be reduced to keep the cells safe. During that process, the lost range and slower charging are locked together by this single software change. So what can you do about it? First, confirm your hardware. This issue is only for the 85 kilowatt-hour packs in Model S and Model X. Vehicles built between 2012 and 2016. You can check your car's information screen under the Software tab to see your battery configuration. If it says 85, you are affected. Newer 90 or 100 kilowatt-hour packs use a different, more robust cell chemistry and do not have this limitation. Next, understand that software updates will not reverse this. Tesla did release a couple of updates after the first one. A July 2019 update gave back a small amount of voltage, maybe 3%, and a March 2020 update was designed to manage the battery differently to restore more performance over time. But neither one can fully remove the original voltage cap. The system's secure boot feature also means you cannot roll the car's software back to an older version from before 2019. The only way to get your car's original range and charging speed back is to replace the hardware. The software limitation is tied directly to the physical state of your aging battery cells. This means a full high-voltage battery pack replacement with a newer 90 or 100 kilowatt-hour pack. Because you are installing a battery with a different chemistry, the software limitation is no longer needed and will not apply to the new pack. This is an expensive repair, but it is the only complete solution. The software capped the limits of your original hardware to keep it safe. The first step is to check your car's info screen to confirm you have that 85 kilowatt-hour pack.